Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Ella. Today we are currently on the Disney Treasure and I thought it would be fun to go pin trading. We did this on the Destiny and it was so much fun and we found a bunch of different pins. So I thought, why not try it on the Treasure? I brought a bunch of different pins with me from home and even brought some of my diamonds that I wanted to trade, and of course my little munchlings. I'm really hoping to find a couple of these, but we'll see what we find. And then I have like 20 or so pins that we're gonna try to trade. I'm hoping that we can find some munchlings along with maybe some different cruise pins. I don't really have a theme for today. We're just gonna see what we find, but hopefully those. I wanted to go and take some ducks too. I keep seeing all the mailboxes and little like fish extender stuff too, so we'll see if we can find them. I brought like 5 different little cruise type ducks. We're gonna put them in our new bag. Just go around and put them in people's little mailboxes. All right, good to go. I also saw at the shop that they had some cruise exclusive blind pin bags, so I really want to go and get that too, so we'll have to go get that later after we trade stuff. I know there's a pin board on deck 12, so let's start with that one. I see a duck, I see a duck. That is so cute. I want to get it. Oh my gosh, I don't have Angel. That is so cute. We're gonna leave a duck though. We'll leave a little Superman one. That way other people can still find a duck too. This one is so cute though. I found a duck. That's so cute. Okay, here it is. This one's cute. Oh, which one do we want? Since we're on the Treasure, let's get the Jasmine one. I brought a bunch of the diamonds that I didn't want and kind of separated them out for the ones that I want to keep and the ones that I don't want. So luckily I have those, so then I can trade with different like diamond ones. That's cool. We're gonna skip 11 and go down to 10. I'm not there. Oh, here's a pin board. Oh my gosh, they have more Dumbo ones. They have little Peter. That is adorable. Which one do we want? Do we like little tiny Peter or do we like Dumbo? You like that one? Mm-hmm. Yeah? I have one of these, so we could always get that. I have another one that's like a different clothes. We'll get this one. There we go. I have a few of these. I have like 2 or 3 different ones, but they're just little like cast member outfits. They're cute. Let's keep looking. Yeah, where to now? Oh, they have a duck box. Do they have any ducks though? Then we could leave them one. So, oh, they don't have a duck. Perfect. We'll put one. Which one we want to do? Let's leave them a little Jasmine. There we go. Now they have a duck. Yes, I like that. In honor of the Treasure, we'll do a Jasmine duck. Cute. I think we've made it almost to the very end. That is the coolest. Look, they have a little castle and they even have the little fireworks. That is the cool part about walking around and pin trading is you find so many doors and these people have them like decked out. They have all sorts of different like little lollipops and all of that. Ooh, okay. All right, I'm not seeing much. Oh, they have pins down here too. Oh, these are cute. Oh my gosh, I think I left the ones that I have at home. I don't really know which one. Maybe we'll do Tiana, because I'm pretty sure I have Cinderella. Let's leave them a duck. Do they have any? No, they don't have any, so put one in there. We'll give them a little cruise duck. There we go. I like these little mailboxes. The cool part about pin trading is you can just like walk around and you can see everybody's doors, which is fun. And they have some really cool stuff, like from 3D printed things to like all sorts of different things that you can like write and all of that. So it's fun to like wander around and see that. Ooh, we got another pin board. There's little babies. Oh, which one do we want? You like that one? The little flying one? I don't like this one. This one's cute. We'll do that. And I think this might be from like the Nightmare Before Christmas or something like that. I'm unsure. If you know, let me know because I'm not quite sure about this one. All right, now down to deck 9. But there's been a decent amount already. I'm shocked. In the Destiny, it took a little bit, I feel like, to find them. Whereas this, we're kind of just finding them all over. All right, not having much luck on 9. We've passed like at least 50 rooms already and I haven't seen it at all. That is cute. Look at that. It's just a little Eevee. It's adorable. All right, well, no luck on 9. We'll go to 8. We've only done like one side, so we'll see. We'll walk up the other way. None down there. Let's try this side. This really gets your steps in though. Getting so many steps. Oh, we almost went. We would have never found
This side
them.
was better.
You said this side was better. Oh, which one? Oh, they do have little crew stuffy. That one's fun. I like the villain. I like the little candy. I love Ursula. Ursula's really cool. Maybe we'll do these then. They're next to each other. We'll do Ursula. Oh no, can you grab that for me? There we go. And then we'll also do Shelly May. Here's all the diamonds that I'm not keeping. Ooh, which one should we get them? Do you want to give them these? We'll give them this little jersey one. Perfect. Ooh, what's my favorite Taylor Swift song? Ugh. Probably The Black Dog. I love singing that one. Don't mind my handwriting. It's hard with a camera. I love The Black Dog though. I have a TikTok if you guys haven't seen it. I sing covers all the time on there. Speaking of Taylor Swift, have you all seen this stuff on the wedding? Oh my gosh, it looks absolutely amazing just from what I heard. I know by the time this comes out, we might have a little bit more information on it, but it looked, it sounds amazing. Oh, these are cool. I wonder if there's any in here. All right, no pin boards in here. Okay, we're gonna keep going then. Emma's 30th birthday. Oh, cute. Happy birthday. Let's go down to the next one then. Not having great luck with 7. I wanted to give Stitch a new home. Apparently, Stitch doesn't want a new home. Oh, I see one. Oh, this is a cute pin board. Look at that. That's cute. Let's see, which one do we want? Oh, I have little Piglet. That one's cute. Who else do I have? I have this one too. I have that one. I'm pretty sure I have that one too. I was thinking the little ears just because I have another ear one. Goodbye, Stitch.
Yeah, sure.
I thought this one was cute. I liked it. It's not a diamond one, but I have a few others that aren't diamonds. I only have one Mickey ear that's a diamond. But I was like, that's cool, so then I can add it to my collection. We're gonna see if there's any more on deck 7. Oh, more pins. Here's this one. Oh, the Magic of Season, that one's fun. Oh, do I have this one? I'm so unsure. Let's see, do we have it?
This one.
I do have the popsicle. We already have this one, so maybe we'll go with Winnie the Pooh.
What are the Mickeys mean?
I have a few from this set. I have Piglet and a few others, but I don't know. I don't know if I have Winnie the Pooh or not, so I figured I'd grab that one just in case. All right, now on to deck 6. This is going by really fast. And all right, left or right? Don't go this side? All right, we got lucky on this side. Right, pin boards. Maybe this floor will get lucky. Maybe it'll be all the pin boards. Oh, okay, here's one. Here's a pin board. All right. Oh, we have another little one of those jersey ones. That's cool. Oh, and there's a little Mickey with popcorn. Oh, we are on a cruise ship, so, you know, flounder goes with the sea. We'll get that one. There we go. What did the Ursula shoe? Give him a little, that one. We got another one. We got a shoe. I have a few of the shoe ones. I have Maleficent, and maybe the apple from like Snow White. So like the evil queen. Now we have one that goes with our little flounder. It's perfect. This is now the 3rd Ariel one that we've gotten. We have 2 Ursulas and now Flounder. There's no rooms on decks 5, 4, and 3, so let's go down to 2. And then maybe after that we'll go to the shops. Left or right? Oh, that's a dead end. Perfect.
It's that way.
I guess this way. Oh, here's our first one. Oh, they have an Ursula one too. No way.
Look at the bladders.
Look at the, oh my gosh, they have a Munchling. I have that one. They have a cupcake though. Okay, I like the cupcake. Which one do you like? Oh, well, we just got this one. We have that one, and I'm pretty sure I have that one too.
I already have this one.
The cupcake's really cute. Let's do the
Yes,
cupcake. Okay, since it's a diamond, we're gonna give him one of our diamond ones. Which one do we do? Do this one. This is my only like diamond ears, so I can part ways with it. Now we have a diamond cupcake. Look at that, this little Donald. So now we have 4 diamond cupcakes. Well, I guess that's the only pins on deck 2 on that side, so let's go upstairs and check out what pins they have at the shop. And maybe we'll buy some. I have my eye on a few of them. Not quite sure when all of these videos will all go out, but I don't know if you guys have seen day 1 of the treasure. I think that one will go out before this one, and if it does, I'll have to link it down below if you all haven't seen it, because we had so much fun. Yesterday we did the 4th of July. They had 4th of July fireworks and all that since it was the 4th of July, and so we've done that and all sorts of fun stuff around the cruise, and you'll have to stay tuned for more, because I'm going to try to do maybe 1 or 2 more pin trading videos, because we have 2 more days at sea, and then I'll probably also try to do, I also vlog every single day, so I'll have to link all those down below once they go out. Hi. Do you all have a pin board?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. I really think this one, only because I just got 2 when I was on the pin trading board. I only have a few left now.
You did good, huh?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
Oh wow.
They are always hiding.
I love
What do I need? What do I want? Oh my gosh.
Power line.
Okay. Oh, that one's cute too. It has a little fan.
Yeah,
Oh,
this
that
is
is
from our
cute.
mystery ones. So you have a mystery set
Oh,
over
really?
there. Yes.
That one? Yeah, do you want my...
It's okay, don't worry.
Thank you so much.
Thank
That's so
you.
cute. So I got these 2. I figured this would be fun because I already have 2 of them. This one's cute. I like it. I've seen this one a few times before, but I've never gotten the mystery like pin box, so that'll be fun. I'll have to collect that one. But they had a bunch. They just had little like pouches of them at both of the desks. I thought it would just be at one. That's cool. Oh, so here's the villain set. So we have 3 out of the 4 of them. No way. So all we need is Jafar. We need to find a Jafar somewhere. They have a couple other sets too. They have this one. They have these, which are cute. Oh, and then they have little pirate ones. Here's the fan one. Look at how cute they are. Oh my gosh, we're so gonna have to start collecting these. Now we have Mickey, but they have Stitch, Who, Minnie, all sorts of cute ones. I've seen these in the parks before, so we might have to collect them there. They have some others I've seen in the park, from like Groot to the dogs, to the princess macaroons. I got these at Epcot and Disney Springs, and they're really cute. They're just themed to little princesses. And then I've seen these at the shops, or at the parks too. But these are ones that are not at the parks. These are all the cruise ones. There's this set, which is fun. They're like almost like all on the island, hanging out, eating all sorts of different like food. That one's cute. Oh, then they have the towel animals. I've been seeing these everywhere, and they looked really cute. They have a bunch of different animals, but then they have little towel animals with them. It's adorable. Oh, and then they have this one too, which is all of like the food that they're eating. So like from the rose to like the burgers, the free ice cream, all sorts of cute ones. They have a couple other cruise ones. They have these, little ship. Oh, I love this. It's like the little key card. Ooh, and look at this one. If you flip it, all the glitter falls. That's really cool. I like that pin. This one spins with all of them. Oh, and they have so many cute ones. I love that one. Minnie, Mickey. They're adorable. Little Chip and Dale. These are all so cute. I love all the cruise ones. Look at them all playing in the pool. They just have the cutest pins. Even Goofy with all his food. Jets. Oh no, not jet skiing. The little waterboard that they have. That one's cute from Castaway. All sorts of different pins. They have some treasure specific pins. They have Aladdin and Jasmine. Oh, they have this one. It's the little like paint pouring on Captain Hook. I think it moves just a little bit. Just a little back and forth. Cute. Oh, they have Voyager Minnie. That one's fun. This one with Minnie. Then just the treasure. And then a few pirate pins. They have these. They have the wheel. Pirate ones. I like the little wheels that they have. That one. And then Pirate Stitch. Oh, and they even have the genie. You can get the genie too. I haven't seen this Moana before. That's fun. I like that one. It's so colorful. Okay, so I have an idea. I think I'm gonna do the towel animals, but we're gonna buy 4 packs of them. I know that probably sounds crazy, but I really want to try to get all of them. So we're just gonna go for it. All right. This one. This one. I don't know why, but that one. This one. And maybe this one. 4 random ones. There's 8 of them in total, so I figured if we get 4 of them, we've got to get at least 3 or 4 different ones, right? I don't know. I'm not good at blind boxes, so we'll see how this goes. But I thought it would be cool, so hopefully we can get all 8. We're gonna go downstairs and see if they have a pin board at one of the other ones. and then we'll go upstairs and open the blind boxes. But they told me that if you have a duplicate, you can come back downstairs, and they have a couple of them right now. So if we get any, we might have to go back down and see if we can trade one. They only had a couple. They have like Chip and Dale, Donald, I believe, and Goofy that were on the board. So we'll see. Hopefully we don't get one of those and then we can trade them. Hi, could I see the pins? I really like that one.
So
Can I
do
do
it.
that one? Yeah.
That sounds great.
It looks so cute.
It does, right?
Isn't that the cutest one ever? It's just a little Mickey on his little moped. I love it. All right, now I am like really wanting to open these pins, so let's go open them. All right, let's start with box number 1. I'm nervous. All right, number 1. Oh, it's Captain Minnie. Look at that. She's cute. With a little towel animal. Is that like a little peacock? I think it's a little peacock. All right, we have Minnie, so that's number 1. Let's see who else we got. Maybe Mickey. That would be nice. If we had Minnie and Mickey. All right. Oh, it's Daisy. Look at that. That's cute. Look at her little cruise fit. I think she has like a little dino with her. Adorable. Then we got the little besties. All right, number 2. Let's see. We already have the 2 besties. Let's see if we can get the other ones. I'm voting the next one's gonna have Donald. I don't know. We're gonna see. Number 1. I can't really tell what it is. Like you can't even like feel who they might be. No, we got Daisy. Oh, so now we have a duplicate. Okay, maybe we're able to trade that one. We'll see. So now we have a duplicate of her. Please don't be Minnie. I really hope not. See, don't be Minnie. Don't be Minnie. Oh, we got Donald. Look at that. Look at his little fit. I like that. Look at his little towel animal too. He's got little sunglasses. I think it's like a little elephant. I like that. All right. 1 duplicate, 1 not duplicate. Okay, now this one I'm feeling Chip and Dale. They don't seem like Daisy. Please don't be Minnie. We got Mickey. No way. Look at his little cruise outfit, his little cruise hat, and it's a little monkey. That's adorable with his little sunglasses. Okay, I'm happy. Well, now we have Donald, Daisy, and Minnie and Mickey. That's perfect. I feel something, though. I feel something on the top. I don't want it to be Donald. I really... Okay. No Mickey, no Minnie. No, it's Donald. Dang it. Now we have another one of him. His elephant is cute with his little sunglasses. All right, well, now we have 2 Daisy and 2 Donald. Those must be popular in these boxes, it seems. We have 1 more box. I'm really hoping for like 2 different ones. I'm really hoping for Stitch or, which one is this? Chip? Yeah, I'm really hoping for these 2, but honestly, any of the 4. Maybe not Goofy, though. If we cannot get Goofy, that would be nice, because I did see him on the board. So I could trade one of my Donalds or Daisies. Last box. Fingers crossed. 2 different ones, please. All right. Yes! We got Dale. We got a different one. I'm so happy about that. And it's got its little crab. That's adorable. And now for our last and final one. Please either be Stitch or Chip. All right, all right, all right. We got Stitch! No way. Look at that. Does he have like a little frog with him? That's cute. Oh, and his little hat. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really wanted Stitch. That's great. Okay, so we only got 2 duplicates. That's better than the whole thing. I'm actually really impressed. I thought after the second box we were gonna get all of them. I really love these though. Maybe we can go trade. All right, let's go see. I'm kind of nervous. I'm nervous. Do we think they're gonna have them? I hope they still have them. For Chip and Goofy, those are the last 2 that I need. Which ones do you got? All I need is Chip and Goofy. That's it. Okay.
I can get Goofy for now.
Okay, I can do that. Does it matter which one?
Anyone.
Perfect.
Oh,
So,
not
so now we got to go find.
We'll have to go find Chip
Go
somewhere.
find Chip somewhere. Yeah.
Can I come back and again throughout the cruise? Oh, perfect. Thank you.
till next time. See you.
See you next time. All right, now we got Goofy. They didn't have Chip, but we did get him, and he's cute. What's he holding? A little duck, maybe? I don't know, it's cute. But I guess that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll have to definitely come and check back and see if they have Chip. I'm definitely gonna do another pin trading video. I might even do 2. we'll see how the cruise goes, but if I can, I definitely will. If you haven't seen the other videos though, I'll link them all down below and stay tuned for more of them. Thank you so much for watching though. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.